Good day everyone, I'm John Arkel Andres and today I'm going to discuss the boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion or BLEVE. So BLEVE is a rupture of a vessel containing a liquid above its normal atmospheric pressure boiling point may result in explosive evaporation of a large part of its contents. So pag yung liquid na nasa loob ng vessel ay umabot sa above normal na atmospheric pressure boiling point, pwede siya mag-result ng rupture ng vessel or ng explosion. If the material is flammable and an ignition source is present, the consequence will be a fireball with a blast effect in the total area. Pag yung material naman is flammable at yung ignition source ay present, pwede itong mag-cause ng fireball, tulad ng nasa screen. The potential of BLEVE creates a very serious hazard for all personnel in the vicinity of the incident. Pwede ito mag-result ng serious hazard tulad ng blast wave, fireball, flying projectiles, toxic gas, and vapor emissions. Causes of BLEVE: caused by simple pressure increase in closed vessel. So yun nga, isa sa cause kaya nagkakaroon ng BLEVE is yung pressure na nabubuo sa loob ng isang tank or vessel. Mechanically induced BLEVEs caused by failure on nozzles, corrosion, and through collisions of carriers have occurred and can be prevented only by improved design, good inspection, and better transport control. Kaya naman nagkakaroon ng ganitong incident dahil sa failure on nozzles, yun nga, may singaw, corrosion, may kalawang, and yung pagbubungguan ng mga carriers pag nasa biyahe. Para naman ma-prevent yung ganitong incident ay dapat improve yung design, mas heavy duty dapat yung gamitin. Tapos goods inspection, syempre, tsaka yung better transport control. Pati yung dapat yung mga sasakyan ng mga tank na ganito ay dapat maayos. Fire-induced BLEVEs are different problem. The most common type of BLEVE occurs when the vessel partially filled with the liquid is exposed to fire. So yung tank pagka-expose sa fire ay pwedeng sumabog din to dahil pwedeng mag-increase yung pressure sa loob ng tank.
The walls cool. But as more and more liquid vaporizes, more of the shell of the vessel is exposed, which is not cooled by the internal liquid. The tank wall heats up, which weakens the metal, and eventually the pressure building up inside the tank exceeds the weakened strength of the vessel wall. The tank wall stretches and eventually ruptures.